Hey everyone, Mitchell here. All right, let's be honest. Financial statements can feel like trying to read hieroglyphics. Balance sheets, income statements, cash flow, it's like they're speaking a different language. But here's the truth. If you don't understand these, you're just kind of guessing when it comes to your business. So let's break it down and make it seem not so foreign. First up, the balance sheet. Think of it as your snapshot of where you stand right now, what you own, what you owe, and how much has actually been invested in your business. Picture it like checking the map before a road trip. You gotta know where you are before you plan where to go, right? Here's what's on it. Assets. That's things like cash, equipment, anything you own. Liabilities. Basically your debts and what you owe. And finally, equity. That's the value of what you've built up. Together, these give you a quick answer to the question, how strong is my business right now? If you're not sure, start here. Next, we're hitting the income statement, or as we like to call it, the brutal truth. Revenue, expenses, profit. If you want to know if your business is actually making money, this is where you'll find out. You can look back month to month, quarter to quarter, and see exactly where you're winning and where you're bleeding. Because here's the thing, making sales doesn't always mean you're making profit. If you're running a business and ignoring this, you're like a chef that never tastes their own food. Don't be like that, chef. Taste your food. Know what's going on in that saucepan. Last, we've got the cash flow statement. And this one's kind of the reality check. Have you ever wondered, hey, if we made all this money, why doesn't it show up in our bank account? Welcome to the world of cash flow. This statement tracks every dollar in and every dollar out. It's where you see if you've got enough cash to keep the lights on, pay the team, and keep things moving forward. If the income statement is about profit, the cash flow statement is about survival. This is where you find out if you're actually keeping your money or just watching it disappear. Getting comfortable with these three reports, the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow, might feel like learning to ride a bike. It's a little wobbly at first, sure, yeah, but once you get the hang of it, you'll feel totally in control. At Patrick Accounting, we're all about cutting through the noise and helping business owners understand what really matters. Ready to stop guessing and start making real decisions? Give us a call. We're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.